Fear flickered in Arham's heart, but it was quickly replaced by something stronger, a deep, unshakable connection, as if the forest's pain had become his own. And without fully understanding why, he knew he could not leave. When he said he would stay and protect it, the very ground beneath him responded, glowing softly as roots rose and wrapped gently around his feet. Not to trap him, but to connect him, to share with him the heartbeat of the forest itself.